Hello and welcome. In this episode, we're gonna show how to use this SIM900 module with Arduino GSM module. We start, and this is the antenna of the shield. These are the main buttons and components of the shield. This is the SIM card holder. This pin used for automatic power up from Arduino. This is the power button, power push button. This is the external power selector. You can choose from external power selector or from Arduino. Now we plugged in a power adapter and we have this LED, green LED, indicating power connection. We press the power key to power on the module. We have the status light and net light indicating connection to the network. Now it's connected to the network. Now we use the power key to power it off. Now we disconnect power socket. Here we have pin number 9 to use with Arduino to automatically power on the module after we solder this jumper to enable automatic power. This connection, we can use it to power Arduino or microcontroller using 4.1 volts. If you like this video, please click like, share, and subscribe. Thank you and goodbye.